What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put a PDF into ManyChat. First off, you need to upload your PDF to a virtual cloud storage. You can choose any virtual cloud storage. I am choosing Google Drive, and as you can see, I have kept this file in my Google Drive. Now just simply over to share and click on share and just simply copy the link and just make sure to check this option with anyone with link. With this option only, anyone can access the link. Otherwise, no one would be able to access your link. After selecting this, just simply click on copy link. And then after copying the link, just simply come to ManyChat and then here click on automation. Now in the automation, click on new automation and then just simply click new trigger, connect the channel, and then here first off come to settings and then here in the messenger, connect with the messenger, and then after connecting to the messenger, click new automation and then you will see in the automations the option of messenger. Just simply click on that and on the right side you will see a cursor to add your text. Just paste your link there and then you will be able to put a PDF into ManyChat. So that was all for this video guys. Thank you everyone for watching.